Never miss a chance to connect with your audience again. Let's automate your Substack emails. Welcome to this quick tutorial on supercharging your Substack with automated emails today. We're diving into how to set up autoresponders and welcome series, turning new subscribers into engaged readers. First things first, log into your Substack account and head over to your dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear, and click on it. Within your settings, you'll find different sections. Navigate to the area labeled Email or Automation. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll typically see options to create various automated sequences. For this tutorial, we'll focus on two key types: your initial autoresponder and a multi-email welcome series. To set up your first autoresponder, which is sent immediately after someone subscribes, click Create New. You'll need to craft a compelling subject line and write the content of your email. This is your first impression, so make it count. In this email, you can thank your new subscriber, tell them what to expect from your newsletter, and perhaps offer a valuable freebie to further encourage engagement, like a guide or a checklist. Now, let's build a welcome series. This allows you to send a sequence of emails over a period of time. To add your second email, simply click Add Another Email, and repeat the process of writing your subject line and content. The key to a successful series is timing. You can set delays, so your emails are sent a day, a few days, or even a week apart. This prevents overwhelming your new subscribers while keeping them engaged. In subsequent emails, you can introduce yourself further, share your most popular past posts, or invite them to join your community on social media. The goal is to nurture that connection. Once you're happy with your autoresponder and welcome series, remember to hit Save or Publish. To activate them, your Substack will now automatically welcome and guide your new subscribers. That's it. You've just learned how to set up automated emails on Substack. For more tips on growing your newsletter, be sure to subscribe.